Hello guys, so I am going to be reviewing Brain and Memory Support for Women supplement. It is a food supplement from She and it is manufactured by West Coast Pharma. Now this is a food supplement product, so it is completely natural and all of the consumers can consume it. As you can see, all the details are mentioned here with what licenses are made. And the packaging looks quite fancy as well. So this is how the product looks. It's a non-veg product. Now one of the ingredients mentioned here is non-veg. I'll let you know which one, so you can make a decision if you want to consume or not. So the product is called Brain and Memory Support for Women, but there are around 20 plus vitamin minerals in this supplement. So let's see. It focuses on your enhancing memory, uplifts mood and boosts focusing ability. This is the number of list they mentioned of vitamins and minerals. There are more than 20, and the ingredient that is that makes it a non-veg product is omega-3. Omega-3 is normally a fish oil kind of a supplement, and they've added this omega-3 because omega-3 is one of the building blocks of our brain. So omega-3 is you can say it's one of the non-veg product, because of which the entire product is a non-vegetarian. Then it is made in this 5th month of 2023, so we can say the product is 4 to 5 months old only, and you can use it till 2026. Let's see the product. How does the product look from inside? You can see it comes with this aluminium seal, so there is no moisture contact with the product. And even if you buy it and you open it, always put a tight lock on it so none of the moisture gets into the product. So this is how the product looks. It is brownish grey in color, and the entire capsule is filled with this supplement. You can see there is no blackening of the product, there is no side effects, there is no leakage as well, and they are given around 60 capsules. So I think the product is quite authentic. You can use it.